Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Specifically, we'll demonstrate where the AC/DC inverter fuse is located on 2016 F150, but it should work on that generation, these 3 years that we mentioned. You guys have 2 fuse boxes that you have on your truck, but we'll work only in the fuse box that's located inside your cabin, on the passenger side, in the footwell, by that kick panel. If you remove that cover here on the bottom, okay, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see that cover right there. You remove it, open it, and you're going to see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse that we need to specifically check, guys, okay, if you come, you can see you have different kinds of fuses on your Ford F-150. That's the interior fuse box, that's the exterior fuse box, and those guys could be Ford specific relays, fuses that could be really hard to find. They can be overpriced, they can be impossible to find, guys, so we'll recommend to keep some spares in your glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy cheap fuses, relays from, that way you don't waste your money, guys. So what we have here specifically, if you come in that row right here, I'm going to zoom in and you come to the very top. If you see right here next to that fuse says number 23, that's the fuse that you need to check for the inverter specifically, guys, that controls it. That fuse right there, AC/DC inverter. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.